What I wish I knew about cooking at 10 instead of 20. You can learn it all right here. Are you ready to spice up your cooking game? Subscribe now and join our foodie family. Every day we drop mouth-watering recipes that are easy, elegant, and oh so delicious. Hit that like button if you love food. Comment below with your favorite dish. We want to hear from you, and don't forget to share the love with your friends and family. Ring that notification bell so you never miss a tasty tutorial. Thanks for joining us at the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. Stay with us, sit back, and be amazed. Your one-stop recipe channel is here to entertain and inspire you with the most delicious recipes on earth. Enjoy our videos and happy cooking.
Craving something delicious but super simple? This garlic butter shrimp will blow your mind and taste buds. Let's dive in. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined 5 cloves of garlic, minced 1/4 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a handful of chopped parsley. Start by melting the butter in a pan over medium heat. Toss in the garlic and sauté until fragrant, about 1 minute. Add the shrimp and cook until pink and opaque, around 2-3 minutes per side. Squeeze in the lemon juice and sprinkle with parsley. Give it a good stir, and voila, dinner is served. If you loved this recipe, smash that like button, share with your foodie friends, and comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more mouth-watering recipes from Culinary Recipe Creations. Thanks for being here with us. Happy cooking! Next, let's talk about the quality of shrimp. Fresh shrimp is always the best choice, but frozen shrimp can work just as well if you know how to thaw it properly. Place the frozen shrimp in a bowl of cold water and let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. Once thawed, pat them dry with a paper towel. Fresh shrimp often has a sweeter, more pronounced flavor and a firmer texture, making it ideal for any shrimp recipe. However, frozen shrimp can be just as delicious and convenient, especially if you don't have access to fresh seafood. To ensure your frozen shrimp retains its quality, avoid thawing it in warm water or at room temperature, as this can lead to uneven thawing and potentially affect the texture. Always remember to pat them dry thoroughly before cooking to help them achieve that perfect sear. Using high-quality ingredients is key to making any dish shine. Whether you go for fresh or frozen shrimp, following the right steps will ensure your garlic butter shrimp turns out perfect every time. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow food lovers. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more culinary secrets from Culinary Recipe Creations. Happy cooking! Now let's discuss the garlic. Fresh garlic cloves are ideal for this recipe. To mince the garlic, use a sharp knife or a garlic press. The finer the mince, the more evenly the garlic will cook and infuse its flavor into the butter. Fresh garlic not only enhances the taste, but also offers numerous health benefits, such as boosting your immune system and lowering blood pressure. When preparing garlic, be sure to remove any green sprouts inside the cloves, as they can add a bitter taste to your dish. For an extra burst of flavor, you can also add a pinch of salt while mincing the garlic. This helps to break down the garlic further, releasing its essential oils and intensifying its aroma. Whether you're using it for a simple garlic butter shrimp or a complex seafood dish, fresh garlic will elevate your cooking to new heights. So, don't skimp on this key ingredient, it makes all the difference. If you enjoyed learning about the role of garlic in this recipe, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more culinary tips and tricks from Culinary Recipe Creations. Happy cooking! Butter is a key ingredient in this recipe. Using unsalted butter allows you to control the saltiness of the dish. If you prefer a richer flavor, you can use clarified butter or ghee. Unsalted butter provides a blank canvas that lets the garlic and shrimp flavors shine. When melting the butter, do it slowly over low heat to avoid burning it. This ensures a smooth, creamy texture that will coat your shrimp perfectly. For those who like an extra depth of flavor, clarified butter or ghee is a fantastic alternative. Both options have a higher smoke point and a more concentrated taste, adding a nutty richness to your dish. Remember, the quality of your butter can significantly impact the final result. So, choose wisely and enjoy the delightful buttery goodness that makes this garlic butter shrimp recipe truly irresistible. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and share this video with fellow foodies. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more mouth-watering recipes from Culinary Recipe Creations. Happy cooking! Lemon juice adds a bright, tangy flavor that complements the richness of the butter and the sweetness of the shrimp. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is always best, but bottled lemon juice can be used in a pinch. Just a splash of lemon can elevate the entire dish, making it more vibrant and refreshing. The acidity of the lemon also helps to balance out the richness of the butter, creating a harmonious blend of flavors that dance on your palate. So don't skip this crucial step. A little zest can go a long way in making your garlic butter shrimp truly unforgettable. If you enjoyed this tip, hit that like button and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more delicious culinary adventures from Culinary Recipe Creations. Happy cooking! Parsley not only adds a pop of color, but also a fresh, herbaceous note to the dish. Flat leaf parsley is preferred for its stronger flavor compared to curly parsley. Make sure to chop it finely to distribute the flavor evenly. Adding parsley at the end not only enhances the visual appeal, but also brings a refreshing contrast to the rich garlic butter sauce and the zesty lemon. It's that final touch that makes your garlic butter shrimp look professionally plated and taste even more exquisite. So remember to sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley right before serving. If this has inspired you, give us a thumbs up and share this recipe with fellow food enthusiasts. Subscribe to Culinary Recipe Creations and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest culinary tips and recipes. Happy cooking! For a little extra kick, you can add a pinch of red pepper flakes or a dash of hot sauce. This is optional, but highly recommended if you enjoy a bit of heat in your dishes. The spice adds a delightful contrast to the rich, buttery garlic sauce, making each bite even more exciting. Whether you prefer a subtle warmth or a fiery punch, adjusting the spice level to your taste can elevate your garlic butter shrimp to a whole new level. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the perfect balance that suits your palate. If you're a fan of spicy food, this little tweak will definitely make your dish stand out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delightful recipes and cooking tips. Happy cooking and enjoy your spicy garlic butter shrimp. Now that your garlic butter shrimp is perfectly cooked and seasoned, it's time to think about how to serve it. To serve, you can pair this garlic butter shrimp with a variety of sides. It goes wonderfully with pasta, rice, or a fresh green salad. Imagine the shrimp nestled atop a bed of al dente pasta, with each piece coated in that mouth-watering garlic butter sauce. Or perhaps you'd prefer it over a steaming bowl of fluffy rice, where every grain absorbs the delightful flavors. You can also serve it as an appetizer with some crusty bread to soak up the delicious sauce. The crispy exterior and soft interior of the bread make it the perfect vessel for scooping up every last bit of that buttery, garlicky goodness. Whether you choose pasta, rice, salad, or bread, these pairings will complement the rich, savory flavors of your garlic butter shrimp beautifully. Don't be afraid to get creative and find the side that makes your meal complete. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delightful recipes and cooking tips. Happy cooking, and enjoy your garlic butter shrimp. And there you have it. A simple, yet incredibly flavorful garlic butter shrimp recipe that is sure to impress. Remember, the key to this dish is using fresh, high-quality ingredients and not overcooking the shrimp. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a special occasion. The combination of garlic, butter, lemon, and a hint of spice creates a symphony of flavors that will leave everyone asking for more. So go ahead and give this recipe a try, and don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Happy cooking, and enjoy your garlic butter shrimp.
Why are there more and more people talking about Culinary Recipe Creations? Because experimenting in the kitchen is deliciously fun. That's why. Join us for delectable foodie tutorials that will transform your cooking game. From savory starters to decadent desserts, we've got you covered. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest mouth-watering creations. Love what you see? Drop us a like, leave a comment, and share our videos with your fellow food enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you even more scrumptious content. So sit back, relax, and let us handle the cooking entertainment. Stay tuned in because it's cooking time. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, your new favorite kitchen corner. Let's create something delicious together.